I'm standing here with Tom Guzman from Panther, and we're in the transportation module, the supply chain of the future. So Tom, tell me a little bit about, Panther is working with a lot of the companies here today to bring about the transportation module and what's new in transportation.
Sure. Well, Amy, a lot of times in the transportation and the things, and really in the whole supply chain, everybody's concerned about manufacturing the product or getting the product from overseas, but they forget about they have to get it to the end part of the supply chain. And that's where the transportation or the trucking part is a very integral part of the supply chain. And at Panther Expedited, we come into play, especially when something goes wrong in the supply chain and that item has to be expedited to the end user or the next step in the production process. And that's how we come into play. A lot of the technology that Panther has in the trucking industry as a whole is very important because you have to have the visibility to the supply chain. And that's an important piece of it.
That's great. So you really think that in the future then, visibility into the supply chain is paramount?
Absolutely. And that's where the technology comes, and you can see on top of our tractors that we have Qualcomm systems. So we know where all of our drivers are at all times. When a customer goes to our website, they can pinpoint that customer or that driver, and they can actually see down at the satellite, and it'll show the driver on the highway, going down the highway, and it'll show them what speed they're going, what mile marker they're at. So it's true visibility to where that shipment is in the supply chain.
Well, that is wonderful. We're so excited to have you there and look forward to having you back in 2011 when we're in Philadelphia.
Great. Thanks, Amy.
Thank you.